So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to do juggling with the ball. So I will show you in step by step. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and watch the full video. So hey guys, for doing the juggling, what you need is the shoe. So it is a basic thing which you need for starting a juggling. So you should have a flat and fixed shoes, as you can see in my picture. So now I will show you from which part of the foot we should start juggling. As you can see in the picture, it is being marked the red shoes and as well as the blue shoes, and you can see that it is being highlighted also. So from that part of the shoes, or which we say as our front part or the upper side of our toe. So now comes the football with which you will start your juggling. So your football must be inflated well and must be air filled, and the weight of the football must be in between 410 to 450 gram approx. So step number 1, what you have to do is that you have to drop the ball into the ground, and when it is coming for bouncing, then at that moment you have to give another stroke to lift the ball upward. And you must notice from which part of your foot you are giving the stroke. Keep it in mind from the front part or the upper part of your toe, from that position which I have shown you before. You must be careful that from that part only you are giving the stroke, and you will now, after doing it several times, shift it to second figure or step number 2. So in step number 2, what you have to do is that you have to increase your bouncing with your leg to several times, or what you are doing in the previous slide is that you are stroking once in a bounce. Okay, so now you will stroke 3 to 4 times or 5 max. So after that you will see that your touching ability or your control over the ball has increased. So after doing this for several times, shift it to step number 3. So in step number 3, we have to bounce the ball in the air, then with the instep of our foot we have to stroke it. So you may increase this stroke by, when you are dropping it in the air, then try to give stroke with the both of your legs up to 5 or 6 counts. Until this ball is coming to the ground, you may try to stroke it in the air, and when it is coming to the ground, you may at that moment you may hold the ball and repeat this process several times. You will see that your touching control over the ball has increased a lot. In step number 4, we have to do is that we have to roll the ball in the air, and in the moment when the ball is coming to downwards, with the instep of the front part of our toe, we have to give a stroke and try to hold it at first time. Then you have to increase your touches with the same leg. First try to do it with the same leg, then again hold the ball, then drop it downward, and then try with this your opponent leg. Then again you hold the ball, then drop it downward, then try it with both of your legs, and then catch it again. Then do this process by continuing several times. You will see that your touches and increase a lot from before, and with the passage of time, practice these exercises. I hope that your touching will increase a lot. So step number 5, the final step. So in this step you may notice that when you are dropping the ball and when you are juggling with the part I have shown you, so try to do it from that part of your toe, or which you may say the upper part of your toe. So try to give it the stroke with the upper part, and try to notice that how much when you are giving the stroke, or how much when you are giving power, how much the ball is lifting. So try to give and repeat the same process.